Hello everyone, we will now see our fourth tutorial, that is creation of some basic meshing attributes. So you can see on my screen, this is the abstract model file which I have taken from scratch folder and I have opened it in CAENexus. So you can see here there are some classes present. Now these classes we imported from CAD in second tutorial. So you can see those classes here. So I just added some relations, whatever given in the PDF. And now we will see how to create some basic meshing attributes. Let's now create a mesh curvature attribute. So for that, you need to select this model class. Then in meshing tab, click on create, select mesh curvature, and then select relative. So this will open this attribute editor. So you can give the name here. So mesh curvature is the type and these are some subtypes present. So I'll just select relative here and I'll give value as 0.05. After applying, the mesh curvature attribute will get created. So this is the one meshing related attribute which we have created now. Again, you can find more details about this attribute in meshing guide which is present in the installation directory. So please go through that for more details. Let's create another attribute called as minimum curvature. For that also select this model class, go in create, just select minimum curvature size, select absolute here. So this will open the attribute editor and you can just give 0.5 as a value here. So this way, this minimum curvature attribute we have created. Again, you will find more detail about this minimum curvature size attribute in the meshing guide. So please go through that. Now we will create another attribute called as no mesh. So for that, you need to select a no mesh class here. Maybe prune 3D of no mesh class. So child entity we need to select. Click on create, just select no mesh and select closure here. So this will open the attribute editor and you have to just apply and close it. So again, you can find more details about this attribute also, what is closure and standard. So those details will be present in the meshing guide. Let's now create a mesh size attribute. So select a size class, then go in create, select mesh size, select absolute. So this will open the attribute editor. You can give the mesh size here directly. So instead of that, we will use some expression called as double param from CAD. So this double param from CAD functionality helps to fetch the values from the CAD model. So we'll just give the mesh size as our CAD parameter. So with this expression, we are saying that fetch the value corresponding to the mesh size parameter from the CAD. And if it is not found, then just select 20 as the mesh size. So this is how we have defined here. We are going to see more details about this expression in the coming tutorial. But at this moment, through this, we are saying that fetch the values from the CAD, whatever is given against mesh size parameter. Let's create one more attribute called as mesh order. So just select model class here, go in create and select mesh order. So we are setting mesh order as 2 here and we'll just apply and close it. So this way we are done with our basic meshing attributes. Apart from these basic meshing attributes, user can also control the global meshing algorithm controls. So for that, one need to click on this mesh control icon. Then you can find this pop-up. So here, whatever default values are given, those are sufficient. But in case you want to modify some values based on your requirement, then you can do that. Now, more details about this is also present in the meshing guide, which is present in the installation directory. So time being, I'll just apply and close it. So with this, we are done with our meshing attributes. That's all from this tutorial, and I thanks everyone. If you have any queries, then please feel free to contact support@novosnexus.com and we will get back to you accordingly. So see you in next tutorial where we will see how to do a case setup. So thanks everyone. Have a good day. Bye.